How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone, first of all just open up the Spotify app, but keep in mind that from the Spotify app you will not be able to get premium, because if I go to premium section over here, you can see I have the premium section but I don't have a button anywhere that will let me to upgrade to premium. That is because iPhones does not support in-app browsing. If you were on Android, you would be able to just get the premium from the application. So for iPhone users, instead what you have to do is just open up Safari, and then now you have to go to spotify.com. Once you go to spotify.com, make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then here you'll find the option called premium right at the very top. Just tap on the premium tab. Now once you tap on the premium tab over here, you'll be able to see all these options over here. All you need to do is just tap on the get started button. Once you tap on the get started button, it will ask you to choose a plan. So here you have the premium individual plan already. And then you have to simply enter your payment methods such as PayPal or your credit or debit card. If you have a PayPal account, make sure to enter your PayPal login details. If you have a credit or debit card, make sure to enter your debit card number or your credit card number, the expiration date, as well as the security code, and then tap on the buy now button with the exact account that you're logged in on the app. So log into the same account on the application after you buy premium from your browser, because you will not be able to get premium from the application. So just keep that thing in mind. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.